Well, hey there, everybody. Hey, it is a cold February 13th day. It is snowing. It's about 26 degrees out here. That greenhouse is just barely making it above freezing. My greenhouse garden shed back there, that one's up to about 42, 43 degrees with some little heaters in it. And I'm going to clean this out. Make a little path back there. I already had to clean out a little area for the dogs, make some yellow snow. And then I'll take you into the greenhouse garden shed to see how my starts are doing in this cold, nasty weather. Now you might want to know why I was shoveling snow while it's still snowing. That's because I don't want to step in a snow pile here, and as you can see, it's fairly light and fluffy snow. I'd be the one that ends up going and rolling my ankle or something in this stuff because I'll step on the little fire pit I got out here or something. So that's why I shoveled it out. All right, so let's go out and check this thing out. Chickens are all staying cool in their little chicken coop there. And my mesh is holding up good. Clear a little extra out there. And let's see. Well, looking pretty good. Let me turn off the lights in here. All right. Now we can actually see what we're doing. So these are my basil plants. Actually, these are my basils. They're doing pretty good in here. And here's some peppers. I got a little bit more peppers here. Yeah, the light really messes up the cameras. You can tell it's putting out a nice pinkish glow every place in the system. And let's see, for the most part it does pretty good. So I'm using a total of right around 500 watts in here. So I got my flat heaters here. These are under 100 watts for these seed mat heaters. And then I got a 200 watt flat panel here. And then of course the lights. And the lights are 35 watt, or 32 watt, excuse me. 32 watt lights. So all in all, it's pretty good. As you can see, the starts are starting. I got to come in here and water all these bad boys. Now for watering plants, I'm using these like ketchup containers that you can get from any of your little restaurant supply stores. These things work awesome when you're watering your plants because it just puts a little tiny stream out there and you go through and you get a lot of water down fairly quickly, and it speeds up the total time that you are or shortens the time that you are watering your plants, especially if you have hundreds of plants out there. These basils like water. And This one's almost empty. Might get it. No, don't know. Boom. To refill them, I got one of these water pitchers here that I filled up from my rainwater collection. Leave it in here so it gets a little bit of heat from my flat panel. So I'm not putting freezing or almost freezing cold water into my plants. Pour it in. Turn that around so you guys can see it. And by the way, down here I have some roofing material that drains down out to my chicken coop. So I don't have a problem spraying a little water down here. If the plants drip water down, it goes out to the chicken coop. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. Push that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. I'm going to go warm up my coffee. Have a great day.